In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or subtract time in Excel. If you've ever needed to calculate a new time based on a starting time, Excel makes the process very simple once you know the right formula. This is useful for things like adding work hours, calculating end times, or subtracting breaks from a schedule. To begin, open your Excel file and locate the cell that contains your starting time. For this example, let's say cell A1 contains the time 10 a.m. Next, click on another cell where you want the result to appear. We'll use cell B1 for this example. Now, if you want to add time, type an equals sign, then select or type A1, followed by a plus sign. After that, enter the time function in all capital letters, although Excel will usually recognize it either way. Open parentheses, then enter the amount of time you want to add using three parts: hours, minutes, and seconds, each separated by a comma. Then close the parentheses. So if you want to add 2 hours, 30 minutes and 0 seconds to 10 o'clock a.m., your formula would be equals A1 plus time, then inside the parentheses, 2:30, 0. Once you press enter, Excel will return 12:30 p.m. The reason this works so well is that Excel stores time as a value, and the time function helps you add a specific number of hours, minutes, and seconds in a clean, readable way. It's much easier than trying to convert everything manually. If you want to subtract time instead, the process is almost exactly the same. Start with your original time cell, and instead of using a plus sign, use a minus sign. Everything else stays the same, so you'll still use the time function with hours, minutes, and seconds, but this time, Excel will subtract that amount from your starting time. For example, if your original time is in A1 and you want to subtract 2 hours and 30 minutes, you would type equals A1 minus time, then 2:30, 0 inside the parentheses. Press enter and Excel will show the earlier time. One quick tip: make sure the result cell is formatted as a time value, otherwise the result may not display the way you expect. If needed, you can change the cell format to time from Excel's formatting options. And that's it. Once you know this simple formula, adding or subtracting time in Excel becomes fast, accurate, and easy to repeat in any spreadsheet.